Ladybird Beetles. Despite their cute appearance, ladybird beetles are among nature's greatest pest hunters. Found across nearly every continent except Antarctica, there are over 6,000 species worldwide. Most adults measure only 1 to 10 millimeters long and weigh less than a gram. Their bright red, orange, or yellow bodies with black spots warn predators that they contain foul-tasting chemicals. A single ladybird can consume thousands of aphids during its lifetime, making them incredibly valuable to farmers and gardeners. Both adults and larvae are fierce predators, feeding on aphids, scale insects, mites, and other tiny plant pests. When threatened, they release a yellow, foul-smelling fluid from their leg joints, a defense known as reflex bleeding. Not all ladybirds are red with black spots. Some are black, brown, pink, or even spotless. Ground beetles. Ground beetles are among the fastest hunters living on the forest floor. More than 40,000 species have been identified worldwide. Most measure between 5 and 35 millimeters long. They are usually shiny black, metallic green, bronze, or purple. Unlike many beetles, ground beetles rarely fly and instead rely on powerful legs to chase prey. They hunt caterpillars, slugs, worms, snails, insect larvae, and many agricultural pests. Many species are active only at night, hiding beneath rocks, logs, or leaf litter during the day. Some larger species even climb trees in search of prey. Leaf beetles. Leaf beetles are among the most colorful insects on Earth. Scientists have identified over 37,000 species. They range from 2 millimeters to nearly 3 centimeters long. Many display brilliant metallic blue, green, gold, or rainbow colors. Unlike predatory beetles, leaf beetles feed mainly on leaves, flowers, stems, and roots. Some species become serious agricultural pests by damaging crops such as potatoes, corn, soybeans, and cereals. Others specialize on just a single plant species. Many larvae feed underground on plant roots before transforming into adults. Weevils. Weevils are instantly recognizable by their long snouts. They form the largest beetle family, containing over 60,000 described species, with many more still undiscovered. Most are tiny, measuring 2 to 20 millimeters, although some tropical species are much larger. Their elongated snout allows females to drill into seeds, fruits, nuts, or stems where they lay eggs. The larvae develop safely inside the plant tissue while feeding. Many species attack stored grains, rice, wheat, corn, cotton, and fruits, making them major agricultural pests. Others play important ecological roles by helping control invasive plants. Fireflies, lightning beetles. Fireflies are actually beetles, not flies. Around 2,400 species are known worldwide. Most measure 5 to 25 millimeters long. Their most famous feature is bioluminescence, the ability to produce light through a chemical reaction inside specialized abdominal organs. Different species flash unique patterns to attract mates. Some larvae also glow, earning the nickname glowworms. Many adults feed on nectar or pollen, while others do not feed at all. The larvae hunt snails, slugs, and worms using digestive enzymes. Click beetles. Click beetles possess one of the insect world's most unusual escape mechanisms. Over 10,000 species exist worldwide. Most grow between 7 and 40 millimeters long. When trapped upside down, they suddenly bend their bodies before releasing a spring-like mechanism inside their chest. The powerful snap launches them several centimeters into the air while producing the famous clicking sound. This helps them escape predators and return to their feet. The larvae, known as wireworms, often feed on plant roots and can become serious crop pests. Longhorn Beetles. Longhorn beetles are famous for their enormous antennae, which can exceed the length of their bodies. Scientists recognize over 35,000 species. Adults range from 5 millimeters to over 17 centimeters, making some among the world's longest insects. Most larvae spend years tunneling through dead or dying wood. Some species require several years before finally emerging as adults. While many help recycle forests, others attack living trees and timber, becoming economically important pests. Bess Beetles. Bess beetles, sometimes called patent leather beetles, are unusual because they live in family groups. Most species measure 3 to 7 centimeters long. They inhabit rotting logs throughout tropical and temperate forests. Unlike most beetles, both parents care for their larvae. Adults chew decaying wood into digestible food before feeding it to their young. Family members communicate using squeaking sounds produced by rubbing body parts together. Their social behavior is among the most advanced found in beetles. Tiger beetles. Tiger beetles combine incredible speed with exceptional eyesight. More than 2,600 species are known worldwide. Most measure 10 to 25 millimeters long. Many display brilliant metallic blue, green, bronze, copper, or white markings. They are among the fastest-running insects, capable of sprinting at speeds that would equal hundreds of body lengths per second. They hunt flies, ants, spiders, and other insects using massive sickle-shaped jaws. Their larvae wait inside vertical burrows, ambushing prey that walks too close. Stag beetles. Stag beetles are named after the giant antler-like jaws of the males. There are around 1,200 species worldwide. Depending on the species, adults range from 2 to over 12 centimeters long. The males use their oversized mandibles to wrestle rivals for access to females. Although the jaws appear intimidating, they are usually harmless to humans. Larvae spend several years feeding inside decaying wood before finally emerging as adults. Many species have become rare because old forests containing dead wood continue to disappear. Hercules beetles. The Hercules beetle ranks among the largest beetles on Earth. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, adults can exceed 17 centimeters in total length when their horns are included. Males possess 2 enormous horns used for wrestling rivals. Despite their intimidating appearance, they feed mainly on rotting fruit and tree sap. Their larvae are enormous white grubs that can weigh over 100 grams, making them among the heaviest insect larvae. Goliath Beetles. Goliath beetles are among the heaviest insects alive. Native to African rainforests, adults measure 5 to 11 centimeters long. Large males may weigh over 80 grams, while their larvae become even heavier. Their striking black and white patterns help distinguish different species. Adults feed primarily on tree sap and ripe fruit. The larvae consume protein-rich food, including decaying organic matter and occasionally other insects. Because of their size and beauty, Goliath beetles are among the world's most famous beetles. Dung beetles. Dung beetles perform one of nature's most important cleanup jobs. Over 7,000 species are known worldwide. Most measure between 5 millimeters and 6 centimeters long. They collect animal dung and either roll it into balls, bury it underground, or live directly inside it. This behavior recycles nutrients, improves soil quality, spreads seeds, and reduces parasites that affect livestock. Some species even navigate using the Milky Way, making them one of the few known insects capable of celestial navigation. Their incredible strength allows certain species to pull more than 1,000 times their own body weight. Jewel beetles. Jewel beetles are famous for their dazzling metallic colors. More than 15,000 species have been described worldwide. Their shimmering green, blue, gold, copper, and purple colors are produced by microscopic structures rather than pigments. Most measure between 5 millimeters and 8 centimeters long. Larvae, often called flat-headed borers, tunnel through wood beneath tree bark. Some species detect forest fires from remarkable distances using specialized heat-sensitive organs, allowing them to locate freshly burned trees for laying eggs. Bombardier Beetles. Few insects possess a defense as spectacular as the Bombardier beetle. More than 500 species exist worldwide. Most grow between 5 and 20 millimeters long. When attacked, they mix chemicals stored inside separate abdominal chambers. The reaction instantly produces boiling hot, irritating chemicals that are sprayed toward predators with incredible accuracy. The explosive spray can reach temperatures close to 100 degrees Celsius and is released in rapid pulses accompanied by audible popping sounds. This remarkable defense has successfully protected Bombardier beetles from spiders, frogs, birds, ants, and many other predators for millions of years. From tiny ladybirds protecting gardens to giant Goliath beetles weighing more than small birds, beetles have evolved into one of the most diverse and successful groups of animals ever to exist. Which beetle amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating journeys into the amazing world of nature.